Hey everyone, it's Kevin and Amy, and today we're going to talk to you about not being the 25%.
That's right. So what do we mean by 25%? Well, currently in the Denver market area, there are 25% of the contracts are falling through on homes, which means you go active, you get several offers or maybe one offer. There's a 25% chance that that first offer is going to fall out of contract on you.
So what do you do about not falling out of contract, right?
Right.
That's the biggest question.
Yeah.
And you know, we have a lower buyer pool now because the interest rates are between 7.5% and 8%. And so the buyers are a little more picky too because they're spending more money. And your home has to be at the best it possibly can be.
That's right. Yeah. The last couple of years we've been able to get away, sellers have, with deferred maintenance and stuff like that, and then overpricing their homes, and they were still selling. Well, that's absolutely not the case anymore. You know, your house, if it doesn't look perfect or there's a lot of deferred maintenance,
right,
then you need to price it accordingly. If it looks perfect and everything's done in it, you still need to price it accordingly. So you have to listen to the professional, whoever you choose to use, on pricing a home, because folks are still pricing their homes as though interest rates are in the fives even. Well, like Amy said, we're at 7.5%, 8%. We haven't seen these interest rates since the late 90s or 2000. Right. So there's, the market has changed a lot on us.
So if you don't want to sit, if you want to get under contract within the first weekend, even the second weekend, because homes are sitting over 30 days, then you got to listen to your professional. You got to make sure that your home, and this is the thing too, like, right, I'm on the buyer side. I know what we look for. I know what the inspector, what he looks for. I see the inspection reports all the time. And with the deferred maintenance, you want to touch on some of those things, and we can tell you what those are. But there's some very important pieces of your home that buyers look for that make or break a deal.
That's right. Yep. And like we said, we can't say it enough. Pricing is key. So you can't overprice your home. You're better off. The better strategy now is to actually price it a little bit lower to encourage a couple more offers than just one, giving you a better chance to negotiate on things once you get under contract.
Absolutely.
No.
So don't be the 25%. Let us help you. If there's any questions and you're thinking about selling your house, please reach out to us. You know where we are.